We have now more comments on the ongoing issues and struggles that surely has seen the entire Indian global diaspora give its take while addressing chaos back home in India. We are talking about the Citizenship Amendment Bill, much discussed here on ITV Gold platform this month.
Millions of Hindus died during that process, and millions of people migrated to India at that time. Now these people have been living in India, some of them maybe even now in refugee camps, and some of them, most of them, they do not have any legal documents like passports, identification papers, like Aadhaar card, and their life has been miserable because they have no identities, and they have fled the religious persecution. Now there has been widespread opposition to this Amendment Act in India on the ground that why other communities like Muslims have not been included. Some of the other minority groups have not been included. Some of the people object why Muslims have not been included and other people have not been included. It is for obvious reasons, because original people who belong to India, or they were forced to leave their homelands at the time of partition. Now, normally a country would not permit, if they persecute its own people, then it is their internal matter for the respective governments. And for people to come to India, path of Indian citizenship is open to all the people belonging to all the religion if they follow the due process of law as prescribed in the Citizenship Act and in the Foreigners Act and under the Passport Act. So apparently we do not see why such a big opposition and hue and cry has taken place, why violence at such a large scale has taken place. And as a person, I would personally feel that no one has a right to destroy public properties without even having proper knowledge about the things. And it is, and any government, all the governments in the world, they have a right to manage their country in the best possible way, in the best interest of their citizenship. Courts are there, judicial systems are there, international community is there. If any government commits such excesses, they would always register their protest in a very peaceful manner, or they would communicate their disagreements to other countries. So, in my opinion, this Citizenship Amendment Act is absolutely right, and it should stand the test of judicial scrutiny under Article 14 of the Constitution.
Okay, so I'm not the expert about it, but what I heard, read, and seen on TV, videos, media, and through newspapers, I see it is pretty straight and simple act, which actually prevents and protects all the citizens and decides who will be the to-be citizens. So it is not a very big deal per me. I can see only couple of things which are contagious, which people think, but those are also very clear-cut articulated, where it talks about on the basis of religion, if somebody wants to join and come to India, they will have some rules to follow, and then which are very clearly articulated. I don't see that is again discriminating anyone. And as always, anybody wants to become Indian citizen, they're always welcome. Follow the rule, follow the procedure, and you will be an Indian citizen.